done this morning, girl?
I made breakfast without telling you.
And she made us coffee. Hot coffee. She came and woke me up and said, I made breakfast and started a fire. So, having older kids has some major perks to it. Gracie's second batch of chicks have started to hatch. And we can see 4 hatching right now. I talked to someone last night who said they'll buy chicks from you in the future. They may have you keep them for like a week or two until they get a little older than a few days. And I said that you would charge them more. And they said that was fine.
That's fine.
More, please. We have a lot to get done today. We have strawberries and I think potatoes we need to plant. Oh my goodness! Don't fuss. Say more, please.
Yeah.
But first, we're gonna have breakfast.
You want some sausage, Joy?
Breakfast with a view this morning. Wouldn't it be fun if one hatched while we were eating?
Yeah.
Thank you.
They're planting gardens.
What are you guys working on?
Putting potatoes in a box for the garden.
Thank you. Are you gonna bring them outside?
Yeah.
Okay, when you're ready, come out and help me plant strawberries too. I got my buddy. I got my bucket. We usually do school in the morning, but it's supposed to rain this afternoon. So we are gonna do school in the afternoon and go plant right now. Okay, this is our strawberry bed.
Think we have enough?
Yeah, I think we do have enough. You ready?
Oh, hey, Michael. Is that broken?
You're supposed to plant them so that there's space between them for them to put runners out, because they will. Mine are gonna be a little bit close because I want 2 rows, but I can always, you know, pluck the runners and the baby plants off if I need to do that. It'll be okay.
Can I see? So we have our own strawberries when wine's one.
Yeah.
And I'm 6.
You'll be 5 still.
Oh my.
Because they'll come this spring before you turn 6.
Oh.
We harvested all these beautiful plants yesterday from my in-laws' garden, and we kept them very wet, wrapped them in wet paper towels. And can I just say that this moment for me is so exciting. To know that I have a good fence to keep deer out, a bed already prepared, and my strawberries are going in.
Personally, I'm just happy for you because I don't like strawberries. I like taking care of them.
Have you had fresh strawberries lately? You haven't.
It's because I don't eat strawberries.
You might like fresh strawberries. It's been a while since you've had fresh ones.
Yeah, same with I tried a fresh tomato and I actually sort of liked it. Why?
Hey, the baby's leaving the garden.
What?
The baby's leaving the garden.
He's going towards the cat.
We have an escapee.
Sneakle Beagle.
Where you going, Wilder?
Sneakle. His new last name is Sneakle.
He's trying to get the cat.
Yeah.
I have a spoon because I cannot find my garden trowel because that's just my life. And then here's the next one I'm going to plant. This is a pretty big one. And there is the crown right there. So I'm going to dig a nice hole.
Put the potatoes in my garden, Daddy.
I'm just going to cover up the roots. You do not go over the crown. You just get it in there real nice. Cover the roots up. And that's it. Of course, when we're done, we will thoroughly water while they get established, of course. Strawberries like slightly acidic soil, and I actually did not test my soil before I started planting. But here's just hoping for the best, and if I need to make soil amendments, I can do that. I guess just top dressing the strawberries. What did you say?
We have
One of the chicks hatched? What do you guys think about this pretty little chick that's hatched?
It's tiny.
Yes, so cute.
Hi, little chick.
Little bellies.
That's pretty sweet. Bubby, you gotta work where Daddy is. Strawberries are done. 56 strawberry plants in the ground. Family's working on the potato patch.
Getting ready to plant some potatoes.
And these will be early potatoes, right?
Exactly.
We'll plant potatoes twice. So these will just be some early potatoes to get us through the summer. We'll probably harvest them pretty small, like new potatoes. And we'll do another couple rows for our winter harvest later on in the spring, early summer.
Should we just plant one row of potatoes? Probably we'll need to do two.
Alright, we can do two early. That's fine. This is pretty. Is that the trench?
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna do straw again?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Last year we tried this technique of hilling potatoes. Potatoes have to stay under the ground. And we used sawdust and straw and hay. And it worked really well. It's made it very easy to harvest them, so you didn't have to dig so much dirt to find your potatoes. So we're going to try that again this year. Use this little measuring stick and put it in between. So look, measure from that one to the next one, and then measure from this one. Hold this. Put your measuring stick in like this. Put the next one right there at the end. So move your measuring stick down to there like that.
Because we're putting them 12 inches apart, okay, buddy? Good job.
Put about 6 in that.
Did you get perfume from Mom?
Yeah.
Did you get the potatoes planted?
Got the potatoes planted.
I actually went over and talked to a neighbor, so I wasn't sure if that got done. Well, it has been a very productive morning, and it's been a great day on the homestead.
It has been.
Time for lunch, time for naps, time for school. See you in the next video.
Goodbye.
Time to poop.